Hi everyone, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today we're going to talk a little bit about nail guns and staple guns that you might use for a project on your home or a project you might be working on. Now, there's a myriad of things you'll find at your local Ace hardware store. If you're just starting out and you're thinking about, boy, I'm going to do a bunch of stapling, or I'd like a little brad nailer. This is sort of a entry-level electric unit from Stanley. This is essentially a staple gun, an electric staple gun. So if you were going to be doing any insulation work, maybe you're putting on a room addition or you're finishing off the basement and you're going to insulate those walls, let me tell you, you're going to be squeezing a regular staple gun like crazy and you're going to have an arm like Schwarzenegger, which isn't so bad. But if you want to try and lessen that fatigue, an electric staple gun like this really is quite helpful. This particular one also shoots little brad nails. And so for smaller projects, let's say you're doing a window framing project or some arts and crafts and you need to nail some things together, this is a super useful tool. Now, we've done some other videos in the past talking about air compressors. These next two tools are actually pneumatic tools. Both of them are by Bostitch. This is a brad nailer exclusively, and it'll shoot 18 gauge brad nails up to about 2 inches in length. And so it's really versatile for doing trim work in and around your home, for doing any kind of small projects. Lightweight, very durable, quiet. Remember, when you're using any of these tools to wear eye protection, not a bad idea to wear some ear protection as well, because the compressors can make a fair amount of noise. But these are really, really versatile tools that you can do a lot of projects with. Now, a similar tool to this by Bostitch is one that almost looks the same, but this is actually a staple gun. So it's actually a wider, longer stapler that you can use for doing exterior sheathing work on a house. If you were going to be nailing up something like a building wrap, like a Tyvek or something like that, you could use that. Felt paper, if you were doing any kind of roofing. Similar makeup of the tool. You see it's got a belt clip there that if you were working up on a roof area, you could hang the tool this way. And what's key with these is that when they're working, they'll give you a little bit of oil that after every use, or before each use rather, you're going to take a little bit of that oil and put a couple drips right inside there, because this is a diaphragm inside there that needs to stay lubricated so that you're guaranteed to get just seamless service from this tool for many, many, many years. Now, if there's a tool that you'd like us to feature, just give us a little comment below and we'll probably do a video on that one as well. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.